you keep getting less than 700 views or fewer views in all your YouTube videos, it could mean few things. It's either your video content is not feeding the YouTube algorithm with the right information to push your video to the right audience. It could also mean that your title is not searchable. That is why I always advise people to go to trends on your YouTube dashboard. Search for searchable contents there and use it and do your videos. You will see you will start getting more views. Another thing is either your thumbnail is not catchy. So check all these things. From there, you will know how to do better in your videos. Now, I want you to try and analyze your video and its performance. Where will you analyze this video I'm talking about? It is in your YouTube dashboard. I always say that YouTube dashboard should be your best friend. You should be sleeping there all day. Just go to Google, type YouTube dashboard. It will take you to your dashboard. When you get there, check your video analytics. Check the one that is not doing well and the one that is doing well. From there, you will know what to do next. Know if you will re-edit that video, change the title, change the thumbnail, change the description, and republish the video. That way, you will know if these few things is the reason why your YouTube algorithm is not pushing your video to the right audience. Number 2 is optimize for visibility and engagement. How do you optimize your videos? Now, there is this setting in YouTube Studio that people do not get to see always because it's down the YouTube algorithm, the YouTube dashboard. So go there, click on that setting, you will see description. You know those keywords you always say, you always use in your video, that is in your niche. Put in those keywords in those descriptions. Now look for those YouTubers that is doing excellently well in your niche. Put their names there so that when people search for those people, your videos will pop up. Are you getting me? Now, number 3 is you will have to promote your video and share it. I did not mean you should pay for promotion on YouTube. No. What I mean by promote and share your videos is promote it in all social media handles. Share it in your WhatsApp status, on your YouTube, your Instagram, your Facebook. Any video you post, copy the link, put it in all your social media platforms. 1 or 2 people may click and watch. Even in your YouTube dashboard, you will see where your viewers is coming from, where your views is coming from. So that way you will know the right social media handle to share your video more, to promote your video more. All right. Number 4 is consistent and persistent. Do not use because your video is not getting views and you stop posting. No, it's not done that way. Always post. Always post. Always post. Whether it's doing well, always post. The only thing is try to learn new things so that you put them in your videos. It will help you. So I think these few things will really help to feed the YouTube algorithm with the right information about your channel and about your videos. If you watched to this extent, God bless you. See you in my next video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share to your friends.